Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. So today I would like to do an explanation videos on how the data travel. Let's get started. Before we start, I would like to talk about the purpose of the videos. This video is for learning purpose for BITS 1313 Data Communication and Networking. This video was made by a group of UTM students that consists of 6 people. Data flow. Given a situation, a lecturer is browsing the internet and suddenly she got all the information she needs. The question is, how is she able to get this information? We use TCP IP model. There is 4 different layers in TCP IP model. The first layer is the application layer. The second layer is the transport layer. The third layer is the internet layer, and the fourth layer is the physical network layer. When sending the data, it went from the top to the bottom. When receiving the data, it went from the bottom to the top. For the application layer, the lecturers will choose whatever browser that she wants to use, and she will input a website with a protocol. In this case, it's HTTPS. Before moving on to the transport layer, there is something called port. The function of the port is to know where the data is coming from. In transport layer, the data was put in chunk of packets. What is data component? For traveling, the network needs IP address, hop counts, length, and payload. This data will be kept in a packet. What is data? Data, also known as packet, is stored the destination address and the request. Hop count. Packets have something called time to live. As the packet moves along the nodes, it will eventually die. Length. A packet has its own length, therefore sometimes it requires more packet. Payload. In packets, there are several other components. Payload is actual data and the content of the packet. The third layer is the internet layer. Internet protocol IP address is the number assigned to a network-equipped piece of hardware by which other device identify it. In this layer, the data was assigned into 2 different addresses. The first one is the source address and the second one is the destination address. In physical network layer, the data will be sent to the correct machine physical. So here is the overview of the TCP IP model. This is the root. This is the layer compartment. First, the lecturer will request a service, and the service will be changed into the packet. The packet will go through the application layer, transport layer, internet layer, and the physical network layer. Once the server receives the packet, it will then translate and send them back to the client. Then, it will go to the physical network layer, internet layer, transport layer, and application layer. And the data will be translated, and the client can now view the website. That's it from us. Thank you for listening.